Having perfect and manicured nails is something that just makes a woman feel put together. Whether you choose to do acrylics, gel nails, dip powder, or just a simple manicure at home, whatever it is can make you feel super chic. And I have finally found something that not only I truly love, but that works really good and looks fantastic. So I want to introduce you to something that you've probably already heard, but it is called dip nails. I don't know, should I do something exciting like fireworks? I don't know. That just sounded like a fart. Now you can tell I'm a mom of boys. Oh, should I get the lipstick off my teeth? Yeah. Probably. I just did that whole entire intro with lipstick on my teeth. She's glamorous, y'all. But before we get into that, I want to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Ashley with The Motherly Escape, and welcome back to my channel. So, first of all, the brand that I absolutely love and that has worked well for me is Kiara Sky. This is their dip powder. I got clean. Now it comes in a little kit. I bought this on Amazon, and they have different options, but it comes in this cute little box and has everything that you need, and then it has the whatever powder choice you picked. This will be with it. I also use a very gritty nail file that I got at Sally's, as well as a nail buffer that I got at Sally's. I got this electric nail drill on Amazon, and it works great. I don't need something professional because I'm not a professional. So I just needed something that will work for me, and it works great. Besides the dip powder, it comes with a set of 5 polishes. Now, dip powder is similar to acrylics where it mixes different chemicals with a liquid and it creates a hard form. But let me show you what the kit comes with. Number 1 is, they're all labeled with numbers, which I appreciate because, well, sometimes I'm a dumb blonde. So number 1 is the bond. Number 2 is the base. Number 3 is the seal and protect. Number 4 is the top coat. Number 5 is then your dip powder, and then number 6 is your brush saver. And it also comes with a few extra brushes. So if you want, you can apply nail tips to give you a longer length. Okay, so the process is fairly simple. You apply a coat of each of the polishes in the order that they are labeled, and then you dip your nail into the powder. You file and shape in between, and then you hit it with your top coat 2 times, letting it dry. Super simple, but there is a couple that I found my second and third time around doing that really helped me in the process. So I'm going to share those tricks with you today, and hopefully it'll help you save time and to get flawless, amazing manicured nails at home. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, ladies, that is it for today's tutorial. I hope that you saw not only how easy it is to apply your own dip nails, but the few tips and tricks that'll help you to cut down on the time it takes. I thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also comment down below to let me know if you're going to give this a try, and to also let me know of any other tutorials that you want to see. If you want to see any behind the scenes or stick around with me on a daily basis, my Instagram is at The Motherly Escape, and also my website, themotherlyescape.com. I look forward to seeing you on my next tutorial, and until then, take care.